Hi everyone, welcome back to our Scrum series. In the last video, we covered the basic of Agile and Scrum. Today, we are diving deep into the Scrum framework itself. We are going to cover the 5 key Scrum events, how a typical sprint is structured, and the importance of time boxing. First, let's talk about the Scrum event. There are 5 key events in Scrum, and each is very important to make sure that the team is aligned and the project is on track. These 5 events are the sprint planning, the daily, the sprint review, the sprint retrospective, and the sprint itself. So let's break them down. A sprint is a time box period, usually 2 to 4 weeks, during which the team work on a specific set of tasks with the goal to delivering a potential shippable product and increment by the end of the sprint. The sprint is where all the planning, collaboration, and the hard works come together to produce a tangible result. The sprint is the heartbeat of Scrum. Starts with the sprint planning. This is the meeting where the team plans what work will be done during the upcoming sprint. The product owner presents the most important items from the product backlog. The product backlog, by the way, is a dynamic list of everything that needs to be done to deliver the product. And I will be sharing more in a future video. And then the team will check together what can they deliver realistically during this sprint. The goal is to come out of this meeting with a clear sprint goal and a sprint backlog. Next up is the daily scrum, often called the daily stand-up. This is a short 15 minutes meeting that happens every day during the sprint. The goal here is to make sure that everyone is on the same page. Each team member answers 3 questions. What did I do yesterday? What I'm doing today? And are there any blockers preventing me from doing my task today? The daily scrums help the team to align quickly and help each other to remove any blockers they have. And coming to the end of the sprint, we have the product review. The product review is a meeting where everyone joins the meeting, the product owner, the stakeholders, and also the team. It's an opportunity for the team to present their work, to show the stakeholders what have been built, and also for them to gather the feedback from the stakeholders and to make sure that what they are building is aligning to their expectations. After the sprint review that was focused on getting the feedback about the product or the feature that the team built, what they built, we move to the sprint retrospective. Here the focus is how the team worked together. The main target here is to find out what went well during the sprint, what didn't went well, and what the team they can do together to do better in the coming sprint. The retrospective is a key part of Scrum's focus on continuous improvement. It's not just about identifying problems, but finding a better way to work together. Now let's talk about time boxing, an important concept in Scrum. Time boxing means setting a fixed amount of time for each Scrum event. For example, sprints are time boxed to ensure that the team is delivering value in short and manageable cycles. Sprint planning, daily scrum, sprint review, and retrospective are all time boxed as well. Having time boxing helps the team to stay focused, prevents meetings from dragging on, and encourages quick actions. To sum it up, the Scrum framework is built on 5 key events that keeps the team aligned, focused, and continuously improving. From planning the sprint to delivering the product increment, every event serves a specific purpose in driving the project forward. And with time boxing, Scrums ensure that everything happens within a set of time frame, keeping the momentum going and making sure that the whole team is aligning on their goals. I hope this video helped you to get a clear picture about Scrum framework and how it's all fit together. If you have any question about Scrum event or time boxing, drop them in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay focused and stay agile.